Hey lovelies, Christmas is around the corner, so today I'm sharing 3 trendy nail art ideas. They are easier than they look. Let's get started. Start with a black glitter base. Grab your white gel and paint a cute chubby mitten shape right in the center. Seal that with one layer of matte top coat to get everything ready for the texture. Now, outline the mitten and paint the cuff with white gel. Don't cure it yet. Sprinkle shimmer powder over the wet gel to get that fuzzy velvet look. Now you can cure it. Do you love this texture look? Let me know in the comments. Let's decorate. Add 3 little leaves with green glitter gel and 3 raised dots of red gel for the berries. To make the berries look like gems, apply a drop of magnetic top coat and use your magnet to make them shine. And you're done, a cozy winter mitten. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next design. For the design number 2, we're starting with a smooth matte background. Paint a white circle in the center. Then cover it with green cat eye gel. Grab your magnet and move it around until you get that perfect bright shine. Apply a matte top coat over the whole nail again. Now for the secret trick, use rubber top coat to draw curved lines over the green. This gives it that amazing 3D gloss texture. Time to dress it up. Draw a hat shape with white gel first. Then go over it with red jelly or candy gel to make it look super vibrant. Let's make it pop. Use black gel to outline the hat for a cool cartoon look. And draw the little string at the top. Finally, use white gel to add the fluffy rim to the hat and sprinkle some snow around the background. And look at that dimension. I'm obsessed with how this turned out. Let me know in the comments if you'll try this one. Start with a white base, rub in some perchrome powder and seal it with top coat. After curing, use the sticky layer of the gel to dab on gold foil. Don't make it perfect, we want a cool messy vintage look. Seal that foil in with another layer of top coat. Now, let's build the wreath. Start painting pine needles in a circle. The secret is to layer different shades of green. Finish with some magnetic green leaves to add that special sparkle. Time to decorate. Use a drop of rubber base to create raised 3D bumps. Once those are cured, paint over them with metallic gold gel. They look just like real ornaments. Apply your final top coat, but wait, don't cure it yet. Place your beads and rhinestones into the wet gel so they settle in perfectly. Now you can do the final cure. And here is the finished look, a vintage golden wreath. I hope you loved these 3 Christmas ideas. Which one was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas.